The project began by introducing black lentils, which were small dark seeds used in many foods. The topic interested the readers because it showed how a common food could be used in a new and useful way. The content of the project focused on using black lentils to make bioplastic and eco-friendly material. The purpose was to study how natural ingredients could replace harmful plastics. The scope included the steps, methods, findings and results of the experiment. The introduction set a simple and clear tone, helping the readers understand the aim and purpose of making bioplastic from black lentils.
The purpose bioplastics made from black lentils, which is also known as urad dal or matima, was to create an eco-friendly material that could replace regular plastic. It was made from natural and biodegradable materials instead of harmful petroleum-based plastics. The lentils were first soaked in water for a few hours and then they were blended with water to form a smooth paste. The paste was filtered to collect the starch-rich liquid. After that, the liquid was heated and a small amount of glycerin with vinegar and water was added to make the mixture flexible. Finally, the paste was poured onto a flat surface and left to dry for 1 or 2 days. The bioplastic made from black lentils was strong, smooth and flexible. It dried well and formed a thin sheet. It could break down naturally, which made it good for the environment. The conclusion was that bioplastic made from black lentils was useful and eco-friendly.
Need of the project. The project was needed to find an eco-friendly alternative to plastic. Plastic caused pollution and took many years to break down. The project aimed to reduce this problem by using natural materials. It was necessary to protect the environment and promote sustainable living. It also helped to show that black lentils could be used to make useful bioplastic. Objectives. The objectives of making bioplastic from lentils were to reduce plastic waste and pollution, to use lentils as a natural and eco-friendly material.
Conclusion. Lentil-based bioplastic proves that sustainability can start in our kitchen. It is a step towards a cleaner, greener planet. Small innovation like this can bring big environmental change.
Future plans. Improve water resistance. Experiment by coating the bioplastic with beeswax, gelatin or plant-based oil so it won't dissolve quickly in water. Increase strength and flexibility. Mix lentil starch with banana peel, starch, corn starch or cellulose fibers to make the plastic tougher and more durable. Thank you.